És most bemutatjuk, hogy mennyi mindent tanultunk, csak egy kis része lesz igazából benne, amit eddig tanultunk, ami belefér az óránkba, és megmutassuk, hogy milyen ügyesek voltak a gyerekek ez a fél év alatt, még közel fél év sem volt, ugye. Na akkor, gyerek, come on, let's start. Okay, animals, please give me animals. Anna, please give me animals. Thank you. Everyone. Tra-la-la. Hello, everyone. Tra-la-la-la. Hello, everyone. Tra-la-la. Hello, everyone. Okay, next, now sit down. First me. Who wants to be a cookie? Me! Okay, you will be. Who will be a dancer? Me! Okay, and who will be a little? Okay, David. Now okay. Watch and sing, okay? Cookie, Cookie, sing. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Dancer the dog. Say hello to Dancer. Hello, hello, hello. Lulu, the kangaroo. Say hello to Lulu. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, now who wants? Okay, Emma.
Who wants cookie?
Yes.
Me.
Great. Okay.
Who wants that? Me.
Yes. Okay, give some. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you and welcome. We say that. Yes. David?
Who wants Lulu? Me. Thank you. Welcome.
Great. Okay, now once again, watch and sing, okay?
Cookie.
Cookie the cat. Say hello to Cookie. Hello, hello, hello. Dancer the dog. Say hello to Dancer. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Lulu the kangaroo. Say hello to Lulu.
Hello, hello, hello.
Once again, okay? Emma?
Who wants cookie?
Yes. Who wants cookie? Who wants to be a cookie?
Me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Great. Okay.
Who
And
wants dancer?
Who wants
Me.
okay. Give her.
Thank you. Welcome.
Great. Okay.
Who wants Lulu?
Who wants to do? Me. Okay.
Me.
I don't. Okay.
Nézzétek már a Dávidot.
What you see?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Great. Okay. Oh, once again. Sorry. Now. Yes. Sorry. Come on, Ashley. Go number. Semmi gond. Come on. Akkor majd lesz még egy ilyen.
Hello.
Hello, kezdjük már egy.
Nem baj. Oké. Akkor lesz majd egy eszmerrel is.
Say hello to Cookie.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Esther. Dancer the dog. Say hello to Dancer.
Hello, hello, hello.
Lulu the kangaroo. Say hello to Lulu.
Hello, hello, hello.
Okay, now once again, because Esther is coming to us, okay? Now once again, David.
Who wants cookie?
Who wants cookie? Okay, it's great. Give to Ansha. Okay? What we said?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Great, okay. Ansha?
Who wants dancer?
Who wants dancer?
Me.
Okay.
Thank you. Welcome.
Great.
Who wants Lulu? Me.
Esther, great. Okay, and what we say? What we say?
Thank you.
Great.
Welcome.
Great, good job.
One.
Okay, now, oops. Cookie the cat. Say hello to Cookie.
Hello, hello, hello.
Meow.
Dancer the dog. Say hello to Dancer.
Hello, hello, hello.
Lulu, the kangaroo. Say hello to Lulu.
Hello, hello, hello.
Okay, that was great. Oh, what is his arm? Okay, now the other song. Stand up, everyone. Stand up, everyone. Give me a hand, okay? Stand up, everyone. Stand up, everyone. Sit down, everyone. In a circle, everyone. Sit down, everyone. In a circle, everyone. Pass the duck, everyone. Pass the duck, everyone. Great. Pass the duck, everyone. Pass the duck, everyone. And you have that. Okay. Now, with the colors, do you remember colors?
Peanut.
Yes, colors. Yes. We have, which is that color?
Red.
Yes, this is red. Yes. Which is that color?
Pink.
Yes, it's pink. Which is that color?
Yellow.
Yes, it's a yellow. What's that color?
Purple.
Yes, great. It's a purple. Yes, and now, which is that?
Green.
Yes, it's a green.
Blue.
And the blue, great. Now with our song, we will singing about colors, great, okay? About colors. Who want to be a red? Sorry,
Me.
you. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Who want to be a
Me.
pink? Lila will be now. You. Who want to be?
Me.
Okay, you. Who want to
Me.
be? You will be. And Gloria. Okay. Majd körbe megy. It will be turn around. Now.
Olyan, mint
Remélem
egy
ez az.
kínosz.
Oh, ez az. Okay, stand up. Red, pink, yellow, purple, green and blue. Red, pink, yellow, purple, green and blue. What's your favorite color? Please tell me do. It's a red, pink, yellow, purple, green and blue.
Csak nekik nyerünk.
Nem baj, majd cserélünk. Red, pink, yellow, purple, green and blue. Red, pink, yellow, purple, green and blue. What's your favorite color? Please tell me do. It's a red, pink, yellow, purple, green and blue. Okay.
Nem vagyok a legjobb.
Sit down, please. And now we will play with colors. Colors. Itt is, kérem, rakjátok sorba, úgy, ahogy a dalban volt. Red, pink, yellow, purple, green and... Okay. And blue.
Yellow, purple, green, and blue.
Great, good job. This is
Red,
red.
pink, yellow, purple, green, and blue.
Okay, now we will play. Okay. Esti, close your eyes. And pick one. Okay, you can open it. Pizza? Yes, great job. Okay, Anasha, close your eyes. Oops, pick one.
Pink.
Pink again, okay. Vicky, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. No.
Pink.
Okay. Okay, Auntie, close your eyes and pick one. Ooh, just one. Okay. Which is this color? It's a purple. Yes, great. It's a purple. Okay, Anasha, now you close your eyes. Pick one.
Red.
It's a red. Great. Okay. Lila, close your eyes. Yes, and pick one. Okay. This is great. Good. Okay. Now, Gloria, close your eyes and pick one.
Blue.
Great. Good. And David.
Kitalálta valami. Mindenki azt a színű húzza, amilyen színű a kendője. Green.
Yeah, okay. Huh?
Én pont
And green. Yes.
Én
You
meg
pick one.
pinket húztam.
And you will? Na akkor. Ez volt. Ügyesek voltatok.
Red.
Red. Kinél melyik van? It's a?
Purple.
És te mit húztál? Which color was you pick? Pink. It was pink. Okay. And Emma said you don't have. Okay. You have? Which is that color? Vicky? It's a? Yeah?
Yellow.
Yes, it's a yellow. It's a?
It's green.
It's green.
Blue.
It's blue.
Red.
Red and pink. Great. Okay, give me now. Yes, great. Give me colors, please. Oops, thank you, thank you. Oops. Oh, anyone I don't know. Okay, now, oh, we forget that. Sad. Or, which face are us?
Happy.
Yes, we are
Happy.
happy. Yes, we are happy. We forget that. Now, this is yeah, this is number 1. This is 2. Yes, great. Yes. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Okay. Great. Okay. How old are you, David? 6. You have 6. Okay. Gloria, how old are you? I am. You're 7. Okay. What's in? Okay. Lila, how old are you? You are 6. Okay. Anasha, how old are you? 4.5. Okay. Nancy, how old are you? You are 6. Vicky, how old are you? 5 or 6? 6. Great. Okay. Anasha, how old are you? You are 6 and Asti? You have 5. Great, good job. Oh my God, what are you doing? Okay. Ooh, wow. Okay, little, kicsit nagyobb circle, please. Okay. Lerakjuk. Okay, és gyorsan egy kört megyünk, okay? Without memory. Memory game. Good? Memory game? Out. Now everyone close your eyes and Esther will pick one. Everyone close your eyes and Esther. Close your eyes. Just pick one. Okay. És mit mondunk? Open. Great.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7! Yes, it's a 7. Great. Okay, now Anasha, everyone close your eyes and Anasha will pick one. Great. 5. Great. Good job. Okay, now Vicky, you will pick one and everyone close your eyes. Okay. Yes. Everyone. Oh. Okay, now open. Great.
10.
Yes, it's 10. 9 and 10. Yes, great. Good job. Now, everyone close your eyes and she will be pick one. Okay. Choose one. Great. Now, open. Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, it's a 7.
8, 9.
Yes. Yes, 9. It's a 9. Great. Now, everyone close your eyes and Anasha will choose one. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
10.
10. Great. Good job. Now everyone close your eyes and Lila will choose one. Close your eyes. Open. Great.
5.
5. Yes. Now Gloria will choose.